Hello friends, my name is Rodia and today we're going to create a color guessing game in Scratch. So first we're going to open Scratch and then we'll just create. So after that, we will go to we will change the scratch cut into like whatever you want to change it into. And after that, we will go to code and then we will add a red flag clicked forever. Then we go to make a variable and set this to none. And then we'll add set my variable to 0. Then we'll add a change this to num and we'll add a pick random. You can change this to any number you want. And now we're going to add an if then. So here we're going to ask what's your name. We're going to write what is my color, and then we're going to add an if answer is equal to 50, and then we're going to write purple. And we'll add an and. And then we're going to add our num variable in here, and I will set it to 1. And then we're going to go to looks and then we'll add this say hello for 2 seconds. That will change it to correct. And now we're going to copy this and paste it. I'm going to keep on doing it until there are 5 of these. Now I'll write if answer equals to red and num equals to 2. And I just continue writing random colors. Just make sure to change the num by 1. And in this else, then we're going to add a say wrong for 2 seconds. And now it will ask us what is my color. So if we write the wrong answer, then it's going to say wrong. And then it will ask what is my color again. And if we write the correct one, it will say correct. At this sprite, it doesn't have to be a circle. It could be anything you want. So, that is the end of today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the bell. Bye!